Yep. Alright, what are we doing here, Ez?
So, this is my KTM, and I'm working on it, so...
What are we doing?
I'm going to change the oil.
The crankcase oil?
Yeah.
Okay, show me what you got to do. Is this the bottom drain bolt?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, do it with your fingers now. Don't drop it in the pan. Put your ratchet down. Get your rag ready. Where are your fingers? Nope. Just hold it in your other hand. There you go. Other way. It's nice and warm, isn't it? We just went for a ride. There you go. Okay. Now put the bolt on the cardboard. Now wipe your hand off. That's why we got that rag ready. Okay, now go ahead and take that sight glass off.
Greasy.
Yep, it's oily. Keeps it nice and lubricated, huh? Okay, now do it with your hands.
What's this one do?
That's just so we can see how much oil's in there. It's called a sight glass. Oops. Pull it out and get it all cleaned up. Now we'll just let it drip. Then we'll clean everything up. And put in some new oil. Huh? Will that be the next video? Once it's all clean and we'll start putting in oil. You got your other bolt cleaned up? They're both clean and ready? Okay. Don't lose them. Alright, we'll come back to another video. Okay? Say bye.
Bye.